Oh my God. Liverpool transfer plans are genius. Chiesa has signed for Liverpool. Darwin Núñez is linked to Arsenal by absolutely nobody. But we have to sit here and suck off all of the rivals, and then we get more views. So it's a genius move to sign Chiesa. We will be going through the whole video like this. So make sure you are sticking a like on the video. Liverpool's transfer plans are genius, guys. They've signed literally one player who is the most injury-prone player in world football. They've also signed a goalkeeper that's gone back to Valencia and will probably play tonight. But they've signed him for next year. This is absolutely genius. I mean, this is rip-roaring stuff. I mean, if you're a top scout, a top red, I mean, you must be absolutely over the moon. Over the moon. You've lost Klopp. You brought in Slot. And you signed a goalkeeper for next year and Chiesa. Absolutely genius, guys. Absolutely genius. Now, listen, it'd mean absolute most to me. It would humble me if you, and listen, please do subscribe to the channel, because 99.69217 minus pi, yeah, we're not subscribed off my last video because I keep clickbaiting them and nobody gives a shit. But anyway, we can continue to do this all summer, and we will do it all summer. We will continue to do this all season. We might just copy everyone's titles non-stop, word for word, because this is what we do. And this is where content creation has gone, unfortunately. But I'm petty, and I'm sarcastic, and I'm hilarious, and I will be here all season. Cry. Nobody cares. Anyway, if you're a Scouser, I want you to leave in the comment section down below whether you think your transfer plans are genius, because despite having a lot of players in the forward positions, none of them are really clinical other than Salah. The rest of them are hit and miss. Yeah, Jota's quite injury prone, although I think he's a good player. Luis Diaz is erratic. You never know what you're going to get from him. Scored a cracking goal the other day, but then you might go 3 games with him ballooning him out the stadium and ended up at Goodison. Then you've got Cody Gakpo. Again, don't know what you're going to get, do you, really? And then you've got Darwin Núñez, who is absolutely not going to Arsenal. But it sounds good, doesn't it? Sounds good. Put Arsenal in it, guaranteed to get 10 times more views. I mean, you've only got to have a look at Henry Talks Arsenal's channel. As soon as he talks about Man United, gets no views. As soon as he talks about any other team other than Arsenal, gets no views. Mention Arsenal, 25,000 views. Not easy, is it, out here, mate? Not easy, is it? But it is what it is, isn't it? You know, imagine twerking your bum and pulling your cheeks that wide, standing ovation, slapping your bum cheeks for your rivals. But don't worry, there will be a Tottenham scintillating, scary, dangerous, oh my God video out before the end of this transfer window, because we can do that as well. And once you box yourself into a hole and into a certain club, you're kind of finished, mate. Because nobody really watches your other videos. And this is what it is. And this is why I'm authentic. And this is why I can sit and take the piss out of everyone. Because everyone knows I just say what I think, not what people want to hear. And let's just be real. Yeah, Liverpool's transfer plans are not genius. They're not genius. They've had an absolute shit show of a transfer window. It's actually embarrassing. And if I was a Scouser, thank fuck I ain't. Yeah, if I was a Scouser, I'd be fuming. I'll be absolutely fuming, because you know what? They should have been out there backing their manager with 150 million this summer. Yeah, you got Salah coming up with his contract expiring next summer, I think it is, or maybe the summer after. I think it is next summer. Alisson's not getting any younger. Trent looks like he don't want to be there right now and is having a little bit of a tantrum every now and again. Then you've got Robertson, whose legs have gone. Van Dijk's on his way out, albeit still a good player. You should be out there backing your manager to get their replacements in. Yes, you brought Chiesa in. That can be a backup for Mohamed Salah. However, let's just be real with it. Is this guy going to stay fit? Is he actually going to stay fit? Because if he does, you got yourself a decent, tidy player. But at the same time, I think this guy's scored about 9 goals last season. And he was playing up front. Literally played up front in a 3-5-2. So I don't really see how this guy's going to elevate Liverpool into a title charge. I genuinely don't see it. Yeah, you need a midfielder. You need a defender. Yeah, you need probably another striker rather than another winger. Maybe you are going to play him up front. I don't know. But when I look at Liverpool, I'm sitting there thinking they're an absolute shit show. Yeah, how are you sitting there not signing anyone? then your first signing is a goalkeeper for next year. You Scousers should be outside the ground kicking off. You should all be outside kicking off. Yeah, doing protests and all of this and that, because that is an absolute disgrace. Like, real talk, that's an absolute disgrace. Yeah, how can Liverpool, one of the biggest teams in the world, sign Chiesa for 12 million and a goalkeeper for next year with a brand new manager? You're already going to get a drop off because of Slot, because he ain't as good as Klopp. Yeah, although you started well done, but you are going to get a drop off. There's a few players there that don't look like it's happening for them at the minute. Yeah, we see Quansah getting hooked the other day. He looked fuming. And then we're seeing Trent looked fuming, you know. And when a new manager comes in, he's got to get the players on side real quick, especially the experienced ones, the ones that have been there for years. And it doesn't necessarily look like he's done that. Although you are playing some good football in little fits and bursts. But to call your transfer plans genius, mate, you must be desperate, innit? Like, honestly, literally. Yeah, it's actually mad how the internet works. I can't lie. Right, every day you see another weirdo turn up with some clickbait story. Yeah, the quicker this transfer window ends, the better. Because then what they're going to do? These men have chatted absolute bollocks about all of our clubs all summer. What are we doing here? Liverpool have been linked to 1,000,000,001 players and signed one player for this season and one for next season. How is that a genius transfer plan? But it sounds good. But then again, it has only got less than 1,000 views in about 7 hours. So maybe clickbait an Arsenal one later, mate. Yeah, maybe clickbait an Arsenal one. You might get 20k on that one and save your day. Yeah, it's embarrassing. I'm sick to death of these people, and I'm sick to death of this transfer window. Yeah, every single day I'm seeing my club linked to 1,000,000,001 players. Nico Williams to Arsenal, question mark. Why have you put a question mark on it? It's an exclamation mark. It's a statement. You can put an exclamation mark or a full stop. No, let's put a question mark on it and put Fabrizio's face in the thumbnail. Why you got Fabrizio's face in the front? Oh, because you mentioned Eddie Nketiah. Okay. Mentioned Eddie Nketiah. Yeah, I mentioned Eddie Nketiah, but the title doesn't have Eddie Nketiah's name in it, so it's clickbait, isn't it? Yeah, I'm sick to death of these wankers, honestly. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you are as well. Yeah, because every day you load up YouTube, you see more and more clickbait crap. And it's like, where's the authenticity on this app gone? Like, real talk. This is why I deserve every single thing I get. Same with Said and Rents. Yeah, I'm going to sit here and take the piss all season. Yeah, every single day, I'm going to do exactly the same until these people stop their crap. Yeah, we need more authenticity on this app. Yeah, sitting there saying Liverpool's transfer plans are genius. They're not getting rid of Darwin Núñez. I have no idea which idiot made that one up. Yeah, I have no idea. Yeah, who made that story up? Darwin Núñez is not going to Arsenal. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Yeah, Chiesa, well done. Ahmad-Mashvili for next season. What a genius transfer window, guys. I mean, Liverpool have now just become scarier. They have just got scarier, guys. I'm absolutely baffled. No, I think I might have. So I just shit myself. I'm that scared. Like, honestly, what are we doing here? Now, Liverpool have had a horrific window, absolutely horrible window. As soon as they get a major injury or a big injury to one of their key players, they're dusted. If Mohamed Salah gets injured, they're finished. Yeah, I don't care whether you've got Chiesa or not. You get Mohamed Salah injured for any sustained period of time, that's over. I think you're struggling for top 4 anyway. Yeah, let alone a title charge. And Chiesa ain't boosting you to a title charge. He probably doesn't even get you in the top 4. So for me, this is a bit wild, isn't it? I don't know whether there's any other links. And even if there is any other links, it's probably just some two-bob journalist who's posing as a journalist from his bedroom, yeah, making up a story. Oh, okay, right. So Arsenal need a striker. Darwin's out of favour. I'll link him to Arsenal and I'll get a load of clicks because I put Arsenal in the title. This is what these people have done all summer, whether it's been a journalist or these two-bob fucking YouTubers. Yeah, how about have a bit of authenticity instead of chasing the clout? Yeah, because the more these people upload their videos with their stupid titles, the less credibility they're getting. Let's just be real with it. Let's just be real with it. Arsenal just got scarier. Okay, mate. Can you tell me when we last won a trophy? Oh, 4 years ago. Yeah, I bet everyone's shitting a brick, mate. What are we doing there? Liverpool transfer plans are genius. So listen, guys, they've just got scarier. They've signed Chiesa. He's going to elevate him to a title charge. Absolutely brilliant signing. Have you noticed, yeah? Have you noticed these people as well? They gas up every single signing for the rival clubs. But then when it's their own club, they slag everything off. Almost like they're lying through their teeth, isn't it? Just saying. Anyway, have a wonderful evening. I will be back on here shortly in about 40 minutes for the first watch along in the evening. I might be doing a show. In fact, let me double check, see if Faz texts me back. But I will be doing the Bilbao Valencia game in 40 minutes. Now I'll be doing the Atleti game after that. They're playing Espanyol. David, jump on with that. And then I'm on 10:30 on the main channel with Faz. So make sure you come and check that out as well. But yeah, for now, Liverpool transfer plans are genius. They're scary. They're scintillating. They're dangerous, world-class. Oh, my God. Goodbye. Leave your comments down below.